Welcome to a mesmerizing exploration of Gypsy culture, a vibrant tapestry of traditions, music, dance, and a nomadic spirit that spans the globe. In this documentary, we embark on a captivating journey through the rich history, diverse traditions, and enduring resilience of the Roma people. The Roma people, often referred to as Gypsies, trace their roots back to ancient India. Centuries ago, their ancestors embarked on a remarkable migration that would span continents and shape their unique identity. We'll delve into the historical journey of the Roma, from their departure from India to their encounters with diverse cultures throughout Europe, the Americas, and beyond. At the heart of Gypsy culture lies an unmistakable connection with music and dance. We'll be enthralled by the enchanting melodies and passionate rhythms of traditional Gypsy music. From the soulful lamentations of flamenco in Spain to the lively Romani beats in Eastern Europe, Gypsy music captivates with its raw emotion and expressive power. Gypsy dance is an art form that weaves tales of joy, sorrow, and resilience. We'll witness the fluid movements, vibrant costumes, and spirited footwork that define Gypsy dance. Whether it's the exuberant Romani folk dances or the captivating grace of the Kalbalia in Rajasthan, India, Gypsy dance is a celebration of life, freedom, and self-expression. The nomadic lifestyle has been an integral part of the Roma culture for centuries. We'll delve into the intricacies of their nomadic existence as they navigate different landscapes, adapt to new environments, and forge connections across borders. Through interviews and personal stories, we'll gain insight into the challenges and joys of living on the move, the close-knit communities, and the profound connection to nature and freedom that define their way of life. Gypsy culture is a tapestry woven with a fascinating array of customs and traditions. We'll immerse ourselves in their rich storytelling traditions as elders pass down oral histories, legends, and wisdom from one generation to the next. We'll explore their deeply rooted beliefs, rituals, and celebrations that honor ancestry, nature, and community. From vibrant textiles adorned with intricate embroidery to the skillful craftsmanship of jewelry and metalwork, Gypsy artisans create works of art that reflect their cultural heritage. We'll witness the vibrant colors, patterns, and symbolism that define Gypsy aesthetics, each piece telling a story and carrying a piece of their identity. While celebrating the beauty and diversity of Gypsy culture, we must also acknowledge the challenges faced by the Roma community. Discrimination, social exclusion, and marginalization have been persistent struggles. We'll listen to personal accounts of resilience, determination, and the efforts made to combat stereotypes, promote cultural understanding, and advocate for social change. Throughout history, the Roma people have exhibited remarkable resilience, preserving their cultural heritage in the face of adversity. We'll explore the initiatives that seek to empower Roma communities, promote education, and foster social integration while honoring their unique identity.